A very good morning, 7th standard. This is your discussion video of India's Constitution, Block 13. So get ready with your worksheet, notebook, and the content book in which you have done your work. You can match the answers, but if your answers are correct, need not to change it. So first of all, we will discuss worksheet. So open your worksheet S1, purpose of the Constitution. Question number one, first, you can do by your own. I'm not going to attend it. Question number second, write three ways in which a country with a constitution is different from a country without a constitution. So you might know the answer, but for your convenient, I will give you some hint. Country with a constitution, peaceful, laws are made for everyone, for the benefit of everyone, and country with a constitution will impart justice. Country without a constitution, there will be chaos, no laws, and justice may denied. Third question, some rich and powerful people believe that they should frame the rules for governing the country. Do you agree? Give one or two reasons to support your answer. You can write your own answer, means your own reason. I had written that no, rich and powerful people should not frame the rules for the govern the country. Why? The reason is they will make rules for their own benefit, and if they do so, they may dominate poor and the weaker section. By doing so, one section will remain with lots of problem and nobody will be there to look after them. Now, drafting of the Indian Constitution. Arrange the following events. So the serial is 54213. Come to the second question. Fill in the boxes with the key details of the drafting of Indian Constitution. Title of event, drafting of the Indian Constitution. Who were main people involved? Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Nehru, Sardar Patel, Azad. Azad doesn't mean Chandrasekhar Azad. Maulana Azad. Sarojini Naidu, Sri Aladi Krishna Swami Iyengar. Second, actions taken by people. Many meetings had been attempted. And the second thing, drafting committee was established. Reason for the event, to draft the Indian Constitution. Result of the event, Constitution was adopted finally. Okay. Now, if you were a part of drafting committee of Indian Constitution, what would you find the most difficult and why? Might be many of you will find the same difficulty to come up with a set of guidelines that would address the needs and demands of a diverse country like India with different religion, regional and linguistic communities. Come to S3, secularism. The image you can see and the dialogues you can read it nicely. Now question number 1, why do you think the policeman is not forcing the Sikh man to wear a helmet? So as you all know that this is a Sikh is wearing a turban, that is his religious sign, and on this turban it will be very difficult for him to wear a helmet, and the policeman cannot ask him to turn out his turban because it is his religious belief and religious sign, and our constitution has given the right to wear it. Now write two features of secularism in India. First feature, you can write everyone can follow the religion of his own choice, and our constitution allows all religious community to use things that are central to their religious beliefs such as turban, cross, um, skull cap, tika, whatever. Now, question number third. Give an example of when it become necessary for a state to interfere with the religious matter. When it needs to ban religion based discrimination, means when it needs to ban religion based discrimination, then it will be necessary for a state to interfere. Examples such as untouchability. If untouchability is spreading more, then constitution can interfere in the religious matters. Now come to the practice question. Question number 1, 2, and 3. You can write as I had discussed question number 3 also in the worksheet. Now come to another question. Fill in the blanks. You can do by your own. What is a preamble? And what does preamble to Indian Constitution declare India to be? You had learnt it. Please write it down by your own. Write a sequence, 6 key events that led to the drafting of the Indian Constitution. So you can write these 6 steps by your own. As first, uh, when constitution was framed, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of Constituent Assembly. Other members were also there. First meeting held, this is the next step. And in those meetings, Constituent Assembly appointed a drafting committee with B.R. Ambedkar as its chairman. Got it? And then after many debates and discussion, the Indian constitution was adopted, as we know, and we celebrate it as the Republic Day. So all these points by serial you can write it down in your notebook. Now secularism, question number 7, you can do by your own. What does secularism mean in India? Secularism means that in a country any of the religion is not given the state um, recognition. So a state does not promote any religion or interfere with religion. Everyone is free to practice, profess, and propagate any religion of his or her choice. Got it? Khalid lives in India. He sports a um, beard, and wears a skull cap to work. Both symbolizes his religion. Can he be forced to remove them just because his way of dressing is different from others in his office? Give reason to support your answer. No, according to me, should not be forced. He cannot be forced, as he had given the right to wear his religious sign, as he lives in India and it is his right to follow his religion. Preamble to our constitution states our national goals and also describes the nature of our state. Explain this statement using example from preamble. So as a preamble of our has some goals. What are the goals? Equality, liberty, justice, and fraternity are its national goals. And what are the nature? Nature are sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic are the nature of our state. So you can define all these things. Now additional question. First question you can do by your own. If you were to write a constitution for your school, write 5 important points or rules you want everyone to follow. So according to you, you need to write it down. Now, how do you know that India is a secular country? Explained with an example. India is a secular country. I know that many different religion people are living here in India, and they are free to follow their own beliefs and custom and culture according to their religion. They are free to wear their sign, they are free to worship in their own temples, mosque, church, gurdwaras, wherever. And sorry, told you about the secular. What is meant by sovereign? Sorry, sovereign means India is not interfered by any other country. As India was ruled by British at that time, Britain was interfering in making the constitution, making the laws, imposing the taxes and everything it was doing. But now it means that India is capable to make laws for the welfare of their own citizen, and it can solve the problems of India by itself. It means that is a sovereign. And how do we know that we don't accept any other country's interference in our internal matters? Got it? So again, listen it carefully. India is not asking, this is the answer of question number 4. India is not asking for help in making rules and regulations, means making rules and regulations for the citizen of India. India is capable to provide justice to all people and can think and do the welfare of her citizen. Like this, I know that India is a sovereign country. Now, question number 5. Give an example when equality may be denied to someone. According to law and justice, everyone is equal. But in practical life, we see many inequalities in the society in between rich and poor, literate and illiterate, men and women. So, in our practical life, it can be denied, but from our constitution, it should not be denied. Now, it is the last question. Of all the key features of the preamble, which do you think is the most important for our country and why? I think secularism is the most important, as India is a land of diversity and different type of people are living here, and this is the plus point of India, as no other country is like India. They all are very rigid, and they are very strict in following their religion, but India is a country where all type of people living here. In this way, secularism is the most important feature. But you can write your own point of view. You all are welcome to write so. I hope you understood it. If you do have any problem, please ask me in the class. Thank you and have a nice day.